डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मैं इस टॉपिक को आपको पहले ही ऑफलाइन टीचिंग जब चल रही थी कोविड से पहले उस वक्त कंप्लीट करा चुका था। लेकिन फिर भी अगर कोई स्टूडेंट इन लेक्चर्स को अटेंड नहीं कर पाया हो तो मैं कुछ लेक्चर्स के वीडियो आपको दोबारा अपलोड कर रहा हूँ। आप इन्हें अपनी आवश्यकता अनुसार यूज़ कर सकते हैं। तो आज का जो टॉपिक है वो है कोवेरिएंट कम्यूटेशन रिलेशंस। तो एज वी नो the commutation relations for KG field that is used for the particles having the nature like bosons. So the commutation relations was commutator of A comma B equal to AB minus BA. Here we are using, or you can say that we want to find out the commutator of two scalar field operators, that is psi x and psi y, and as we all know already that psi x is equivalent to psi plus x plus psi minus x, and psi y is equivalent to psi plus y plus psi minus y, because KG equation is a second order equation, and in the solution of KG equations we have two parts. One belongs to the wave propagating along plus direction, and another one belongs to the wave propagating along minus direction. So you can write psi x comma psi y equal to commutator of psi plus x psi minus y plus sin minus x psi plus y. This one psi plus x psi minus x comma psi plus y plus psi minus y, and you can expand this commutator relation in this manner: psi plus x psi plus y plus commutator of psi plus x psi psi minus y plus psi minus x comma psi plus y, and the commutator of psi minus x psi minus y. And as we know already that the operators psi plus and psi minus have only annihilation or creation operators. So you can say that the solution of plus type having only annihilation operators, and so the commutation relation of psi plus x psi plus y is equivalent to ak comma ak dash, and it is equal to 0. And similarly the terms which are having psi minus x and psi minus y, this is again 0. So the first and fourth term, or you can say that the first and fourth commutator will be equivalent to 0, and you are having now psi x psi y commutator is equivalent to psi plus x comma psi minus y plus psi minus x comma psi plus y. So this is the equation number 1. And when we use the solution of psi plus x part and psi minus x part in previous lectures, psi plus x was equivalent to dq integration of dqk f kx ak, and psi minus x was equivalent to dqk fk star x a decker k, where fkx is equivalent to 1 over 2 pi की power 3 by 2 square root of 2 omega k exponential minus exponential I k dot x minus omega kt, and at k star you are having only negative sign here, so this is equivalent to exponential minus I k dot x minus omega kt over 2 pi whole 2 pi to the power 3 by 2 square root of 2 omega k. And if you use these value for the first remaining commutator psi plus x comma psi minus y, then you can have the equation like this: dq in the double integration of dq k dash fkx fk star y ak a plus k dash, and this is equivalent to dq k dash fkx fk star y, and this commutator, as we already know, this is equivalent to del qk minus k dash. This is the del function, and this equation give you integration of dq k dash over 2 pi whole cube 2 square root of omega k dash exponential I k dot x minus k dot by, and say that this integration is equivalent to I del plus x minus y. I del plus x minus y. This is the symbol for using this equation. So this is the particular notification or notation for this integration. Now similarly, we will have to find out the commutator of psi minus x comma psi plus y, and this commutator will be equivalent to integration of dq k dash fk star x fk by, and the commutator of a dagger k comma a k dash. This is the commutator, and if you solve this, because this commutator is equivalent to now minus del q k dash minus k, hence the value of this commutator will be equivalent to minus dqk over 2 pi whole cube 2 omega k exponential minus I k x minus y. This is the value of this commutator, and defining this commutator like this, minus in this side minus, and this integration is equivalent to I del plus y minus x, and if you include this sign minus with this, then you can write I del minus x minus y. So this is the value of commutator psi minus x comma psi plus y. So the complete value of this del x minus y will be equivalent to del plus x minus y plus del minus x minus y. This is the addition of del plus part and del minus part, and if you put the value of del plus x minus y plus del minus x minus y, then you are having 1 over I integration of dqk 2 pi whole cube 2 omega k exponential ikx minus y minus exponential minus ikx minus y, and this term is equivalent to 2I sine of k x minus y. So this del x minus y will be equivalent to 1 upon 2 pi whole cube integration of dqk over omega k sine of k x minus y. So clearly del x minus y is a real odd function because you are having sine terms here. So this is the real odd function, and this del x minus y satisfy the kg equation, which is del minus m0 square, this del is D'Alembert, minus m0 square del plus minus x minus y. And so you can say that the commutator psi x comma psi y, this is equivalent to I del x minus y, and this del x minus y is known as the Pauli-Jordan function, and del plus x minus y and del minus x minus y are the positive and negative energy parts of del x minus y. So these del plus and these minus, del minus, are sometimes called cut propagators. So this is about the covariant commutation relation for real KG field. Thank you.